Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we will guide you through updating your email address in the Alibaba app. Whether you changed your email provider or simply want a fresh account linked, this process is quick and secure. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone. On the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. After that, scroll down and select Update Email Address. Now, enter your new email and press Continue. Alibaba will send a verification code to your new email. Copy that code and paste it into the app to confirm the update. Finally, once verified, your Alibaba account will be linked to your new email address, ensuring you never miss important updates. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with friends. Thanks for watching.